A very warm evening to my respected science teacher. I am Gurnaaz of grade 9P and today I am here to present a presentation on animal tissues. So firstly I'll explain the types of animal tissues. So there are basically 4 types of animal tissues. First, connective tissue, second, epithelial tissue, third, muscle tissue, and fourth, nervous tissue. Now, firstly, I'll explain connective tissues. Connective tissues bind structures together, form a framework and support for organs and the body as a whole, store fat, transport substances, protect against diseases, and help repair tissue damage. Connective tissue cells are able to reproduce but not as rapidly as epithelial cells. Most connective tissues have a good blood supply, but some do not. Now I'll explain epithelial tissues. Epithelial tissues are widespread throughout the body. They form the covering of all the body surfaces, line body cavities, and hollow organs, and are the major tissue in glands. They perform a variety of functions that include protection, secretion, absorption, excretion, filtration, diffusion, and sensory reception. The cells in epithelial tissue are tightly packed together with a very little intercellular matrix. Now it's the turn for muscle tissues. Muscle tissue is composed of cells that have a special ability to shorten or contract in order to produce movement of the body parts. The tissue is highly cellular and is well supplied with blood vessels. The cells are long and slender, so they are sometimes called muscle fibers, and are usually arranged in bundles or layers that are surrounded by connective tissue. Actin and myosin are contractile proteins in muscle tissues. Muscle tissues can be categorized into skeletal muscle tissue, smooth muscle tissue, and cardiac muscle tissues. Now it's the turn for nervous tissues. Nervous tissue is found in the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. It is responsible for coordinating and controlling many body activities. The cells in nervous tissue that generate and conduct impulses are called neurons or nerve cells. These cells have 3 principal parts: the dendrites, the cell body, and the axon. Thanks for your cooperation and have a joyful day.